Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert a simple text into an amazing text design with Adobe Firefly. These were created with two programs, Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Firefly. Here I have this text which I created in Adobe Illustrator. Detailed video about this text already uploaded, and the link is mentioned in the description. Then I separate these letters on separate artboards. Go to the File menu and export them. And here are the separate JPEG files. Then head over to your browser and type Adobe Firefly. Open this first link. Then click on this Get Firefly Free button. And sign in with your account. And then paste your prompt here. The prompt I use, mentioned in the description. You can click to download it. And click on the Generate button. Then on the Agree button. And here are the results. Select the one for your text effect and then download it. Read this and click on the Continue button. Here is the panel for the reference. Upload your letter here. Then go to the second reference panel and upload the image we downloaded previously. Go to the first reference panel and increase the strength to maximum. Then click on the Generate button. And here are the amazing results. And here are the results with the other prompts and images. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.